Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over a program or an application that you can download onto your computer. At the same time you can download it onto your Android phone. I believe you can do the same on iPhone, where you can remotely connect to your PC from anywhere in the world and be able to troubleshoot, access files, do file transfer remotely using your mobile phone. Now, the application that you are going to need to download in order to make this happen is called TeamViewer. By the way, my name is DJ, and here I am. Here's my face. And you would think I'm crazy, but I am not. I'll tell you what, I grew this hair in the process of just trying to find me a project to YouTube about in order to educate some people out there who perhaps doesn't have a clue how to connect remotely to their computer. So this is just a tutorial for those who are not aware of how to connect remotely to their computer. Again, my name is DJ, and I'm going to take you through the simple but effective way to connect to your PC via your Android or your iPhone. Okay, let's take it to the computer. Now, the first step is to download that application onto your computer. I have already downloaded it, and as you can see, I have the icon right there, which is the TeamViewer icon. If you would like me to walk you through how to download it, this is the website. You just type in the URL in there, www.teamviewer.com. I'm sorry, my camera is a little shaky. And then you go to start full version. Let me remind you though that the full version is free only if you're using it for non-commercial purposes. Now if you're using it for commercial purpose, then you would have to buy the license for it. Anyway, for this tutorial, we do not need to buy a license for it because this is just for a school project. So we have the privilege of downloading this free from the website. Once you download this onto your computer, you can save an icon on your desktop, which would look like that. And if you double click on that, this is what your TeamViewer GUI looks like. I'm not going to show you my password. You may see a little bit of my ID, but you're not going to see my password for security purposes. Alright, you move from there to your cell phone, to your Android phone, or to your iPhone, and you do the same process. Now, most of these smartphones now have tons and tons of application that allows you to do a lot of unimaginable stuff. Now, the application for the Android phone that would allow you to connect to your PC remotely. Hang on one second. Let me fix my charger so my phone can remain on. I'll set this right here so I can manage this easily. Okay, so we need to go to the App Store For those who have iPhones, you have an app store on your phone. For the Android users, we have an app store here too. It's the same process. You go to the app store, you locate or search for TeamViewer, and once you see that, you hit on it. It's a pretty simple step to download the application. Now, for time's sake, I already have that downloaded onto my phone, which is this icon right here. I'm gonna click on it. There we go. Now I have that on there, and that's my user ID. But for my password, I'm gonna take this away from the camera again, so you don't have to see my password. And if you'll give me a minute, I will quickly punch in my password. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we are back. And you can see that it is connecting to my computer. That is just an instruction of how you can use your mouse on your computer. I really don't need that, so I can close that out. There we go. That is my desktop right there. And if you look on my actual desktop, you can see that it's the same as what I have on my phone. So I am remotely connected through TeamViewer onto my desktop. With that, that gives you full access to your computer, PC, from anywhere in the world. You can troubleshoot, you can access application, you can open Word document, you can open, as a matter of fact, my Scribe, which is one of the tools that we use for our textbooks. Let me click on that just so you can see what I mean. And you can move your cursor around just by sliding on top of the applications. You can click that once. This is probably going to take a minute to load that. Here we go. Resolution. Let me get out of there. Okay. There we go. It's just a little slow, but it's coming. There we go. That is my Scribe. You can get to your textbook even if you don't have access to an actual computer. You can access your home computer using TeamViewer through your mobile phone, mobile device, iPhone or Android. Alright, I'm not gonna disconnect. Alright, and you can kind of close that. Let's go ahead and close that out. Alright, I'm gonna close that out. There we go. And back to my desktop. Alright. I'm trying to get to the other application on my desktop. Let's see. Yeah, now you can see some reflection there. Fortunately, that's the best I could get with this camera. So you can also go all the way down to, there we go. You can tap on that and open your task bar, application bar. You can access Excel, Illustrator, Photoshop. Those are all the programs on my computer. Amazing. Now this again is an application called a Team Viewer. Thanks to technology and how far technology has moved us to be able to use a smartphone to connect to your computer remotely and be able to access all of the application as well as resources on your computer. That is all I have to show you, ladies and gentlemen. That will be the end of my tutorial, and I would like to say thank you for watching, and I'll still go out there and look around for more educational resources that I promise will benefit you. Thank you for watching once again, and you have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.